Hi guys, my name is Kadai Ramesh. Welcome to BODMAS online classes. So in this BODMAS online classes, we are giving online coaching for the banking. It is very useful for all. So now here today our topic is time and work. Actually, time and work is nothing but this is a topic totally in the inverse proportion. That is why most of the students are going to getting confusion in this topic. Time and work means nothing but it is a very difficult topic. Feel that difficulty topic. But why they are feeling the difficulty means only one reason. So in one, all topics mostly all the topics are direct proportion. This topic will be in the inverse proportion. So direct proportion means what? Inverse proportion means what? I will explain you. So direct proportion means nothing but direct proportion means 1 per 10 rupees. If we purchase a four chocolates, so then for 20 rupees, how many we can purchase? 8 chocolates we can purchase. 8 chocolates we can purchase. For 5 rupees, how many you can purchase? So only 2 chocolates we can purchase. Means when the money is increasing, chocolates are increasing. Money decreasing, chocolates are decreasing. So one increases, another one will increases. One decreases, another decreases. This is called the direct proportion. Now inverse proportion. Inverse proportion. So inverse proportion means what? One increases, other one will decrease. Example, 10 men can do the work in 4 days. 10 men can do the work in 4 days. Of course, if there 20 men were there, it will become the 2 days only. If there is 5 men were there, it will become 8 days. So why? When the men are increasing, actually days will not be decrease, because more people will come in less days, less people come in more days. This is called inverse proportion. When one increases, another one will decrease. One decreases, another one will increase. So what is the increasing? What is the decreasing? So what we have to, first of all, we have to assume the result. We have to expect the result. Then if you need more, so I think you have to feel this. This is the more value. This is the. If you need more value, this is more by less. If you need less value, less by more. Means whatever you have need, whatever you are expecting, that you should be put in the numerator. Nothing but if you need for the more value, more by less. If you need the less value, less by more. So either less by more by more. Just with one technique, we can solve all the problems. Okay, now I will show you. See here. Now let us start the exercise. So question number 1. In the question number 1, 36 men can do a piece of work in 25 days. In how many days 30 men do it? See, 36 men. This is the 36 men can do the work in how many days? 25 days. 25 days. So what is asked? How many 30 men can do it? So whatever is there, whatever is asked, what is given, what is asked. So 36 men, if they completed in 25 days, 30 men in how many days asked. So what is, first of all, you have to expect the result. The rural people, village people, how they will think, like that you have to think. You don't think more and more. Simple you have to think. 36 means nothing but more men or less men. 36 is more than the 30 men. When the 36 men can finish 25 days, 30 men is nothing but members are less. When members are less, automatically it will take the more days. So nothing but we need the more by less. That is why 36 by 30 into 25. Why I am writing the 36? Because in the numerator, actually if you do cross multiply, what will there? 25 into 30 by 36. Everybody will do it. This is the wrong answer. So that is why, first of all, 36 men can able to finish in 25 days. 30 men nothing but members are less become. When the members are less, they will take more days. That is why we need the more value. We need the more answer. That is the more value take the numerator, denominator with the less value. If I cut with the 6 is 36, 6 5 is 35 and 5 is equal to 30 days is the answer. Very simple. 30 days is the answer. So because here Only one thing you have to remember, either need 30 men are there, members are will become less, take the more days. That is only the point. If you need less value, less by more. You need more value, more by less. Okay? Now, in the again and again later, you can understand the next question. Come to the question number 2. Question number 2 is, I am teaching you from the basic level to high level. 48 men can do a piece of work in 35 days. So, you see here, 48 men. So, in 35 days only they are doing. So, 48 men, 35 days. How many men will be required to finish in 56 days? So, thing is that here, 56 days. You have to write, when you are writing is days, so under the right you have to days, and the men, under you have to write the men. So, hours, under the you have to write under hours. Nothing we have to, when you are comparing men with men, days with days, hours with hours, minutes with minutes, women with women, like the way we have to remember. So why I didn't write here this 56 this side, because days are 35 days. Asked in 56 days we have to be finishing nothing but how many men is asked. So question number 2, 48 men can do a piece of work in 35 days. How many will be required to do in 56 days? So when we want to finish in 35 days, 48 members are required. When we want to do in 56 days, 56 means lot of time is there. Lot of time, more time is there. We need the less people only will do the more days. Here the answer is more days means nothing but we need the less men. Less men we need means nothing but don't see this question mark part, that only you have to observe it. We need the less value is what? 35. Take the 35 by 56 into 48. Then 8 7 is 56. 8 6 is 48. 7 1 is 7 5 is equal to again 30 men is required. So very simple this is. So but it is confusing somewhat. But while you are comparing men with men, days with days, so here is 56 days. How many men asked? More days time is there. Less people only will do the more days. Less I want to get it, but less by more only I have taken it. 35 by 56 I have taken into 48. Now I got the answer is 30 men is answer. So question number 3. Now when come to question number 3 is 32 men can do a piece of work in 15 days, working a 6 hours a day. See here, 3 parts is given. 32 men, same 32 men. So 15 days they have done. So working 6 hours a day. Okay. Now how many days? How many days is the question mark? How many days is the question mark? 40 men. This is the 40 men. So how many days 40 men will do if they 8 hours a day? So simple. But here we are compared individually, we have to compare it. Actually M1, D1, M2, D2 will method. Most of the students do it, but it is unnecessary. We have to multiply that. Multiplication is time waste process. Simply with the logic, less by more, more by less, how we are getting the answer, just observe it. Now, simple, men we have to compare with the men, hours we have to compare with hours, but question mark part only we have to compare it. Compare with the question mark part. Now, simple, 32 men, they taken 15 days. 32 men taken the 15 days, 40 men how many days? Just imagine, 40 men means nothing but compulsory more men take the less days only. Means less than 15 days they will take. So we need the answer is what? Expectation is what? Less. 32 men 15 days means 40 men automatically less days. So see, please 32 by 40, you have to write it. No, don't calculate it, don't multiply it. Daily 6 hours if you work, the work will be finished in 15 days. Daily 8 hours if you work, how many days it will finish? Automatically you are working more hours. When you work the more hours, automatically take the less days. So we need the less only. 6 by 8 into 15. Now come to the question cutting. So then 8 4 is 32. So 8 5 is 40. 5 1 is 5 3 is. Again 4 1 is 4 2 is. 2 1 is 2 3 is equal to 9 days is the answer. So 9 days is the answer. Very simple. But here is nothing is there. So while you are getting a comparison, you need the less value, less by more. If you need the more value, take the numerator more value. That only is the main point. Now I am taking the question number 4. Okay. So question number 4 is, Same question. 45 men can do a work in 32 days. 45 men. This is the 45 men. Do the work in 32 days. 32 days. This is the days. So 7.5 hours a day. Okay, no problem. 7.5 or 7.5 hours working a day. How many men? Question is asked how many men. Okay, question mark. Men will do 40 days. In 40 days they have to be finished. So if they work 9 hours a day. Okay. Now comparison to the men. Now we have to compare the men. Okay. Now first of all, so compare with the question mark. 32 days in the work we have to finish with the 45 men. In 40 days we have to be finished. Means 32 days we have to take the 45 men. 40 days we have to finish in nothing but lot of time is there. Lot of time is nothing but men. Less people only will do the more days. The more days is comes less by more. So 32 by 40. First part is finish. Now come to the work. If they work 7.5 hours a day, 45 members are required. They are working 9 hours a day, means more hours they are doing. More hours, whenever they are doing more hours, less people only will be required. That is very less by more. I can write this 7.5 by 9 or 9.0 into 45. Why I am writing the 9.0? Because here is the 0. If you want to remove the point, means you have the 0 here. That is very simple. So that is why now you can cancel it. So 75 you can take, then 32 by 40 into 75 by 90 into 45. Also point cancel. Therefore 45 1 ja, 45 2 ja. Next to 8 4 ja 32, 8 5 ja 40, 5 1 ja 5 5 5 ja 25, 2 1 ja 2 2 ja 50 into 2 again same. So answer is 30 men is required. So how many members required here? 30 men required. So because cutting is very simple, but what to write in the numerator, what you write out in the denominator. Only I told you one dialogue, that one is only, that is less by more or more by less. Okay na? Now come to the question number 5. Okay. The fifth question, observe that 16 men, same question, this is also. 16 men can build a wall, 16 men, 52 meters wall, long, 62 feet long, 25 days. 25 days. So 25 working 8 hours a day. 8 hours a day. So in the question, 16 men, 52 meters long wall. Okay, long wall, 52 meters long wall. So 25 days, working 8 hours a day. In how many days can 64 men? So 64 men, okay. So build a similar wall, 65 meters, similar wall. So 10 hours a day. How many days? 10 hours a day. Okay. Now here the points are given 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So 4 means we have to face very difficulty to in the multiplication m1, m2, d1, d2, d3. So, but here is nothing, just less by more and more by less. See how I am comparing. Where there is a question mark, with the question mark part where there is a, there only we have to compare the answer. Now come to the comparison with the question mark part. So when there is a 16 men are there, 25 days, 64 men will be how many days? So when the 16 men can do the finish work in 25 days, 64 men, number of men are, so more men are there, automatically they will take the less days. Less days means nothing but what I have to write here, less by more. So 16 by 64, first of all finish. Now 52 meters long, 25 days, 65 meters. So big wall, more days, small wall, less days. So this is the big wall, compared to this. 52 meters wall, 25 days means 65 meters wall, take the more days. Compulsory take the more days, 65 by 52 into. Now, daily 8 hours if they work, it will finish in the 25 days. Daily 10 hours work, means working more hours. When the more hours worked, automatically take the less days. Compare less than 25 days. 8 by 10. Now come to the cutting with the 25. Right. Now, how it will be cutting? So 16 1 ja, 16 4 ja. Take here cutting. Okay. This is cut by the 13 table. 13 5 is 65. 13 4 ja, 52. Then 8 to 25. 4 1 ja, 4 2 ja. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja. Okay. Now the denominators are 2 into 2, 4, 25. Therefore 25 by 4 is equal to 4 6 24 1. 6 1 by 4 days. What is meaning of the 6 1 by 4? Is 6 days complete the work. After that, out of 4 hours, 1 hour, or 8 hours, 2 hours. 1 by 4th of the day only. In the morning hours, if they go, they can finish the complete the work. Okay, clear? Now, so with this, what we had understood. So this is the time and work part is completely inverse proportion is there. Is there more men, less days, less men, more days. Okay, na? So time and work will be. People will be less are there, automatic time take more days. Inverse proportion will be there. That only we have to be. And again and again you have to watch these videos, and with this all models from basic level to high level, how to prepare I am explaining you, because most of the teachers are teaching you, but from basic level to high level nobody teaches, just they for their greatness they will show the 2-3 shortcut methods, and after that they will leave. Not like that here. Okay, please, thank you. You have to be following.